Hello and good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing well. It's time to rise and shine. Get your morning coffee, wake up, find somewhere comfy to be, and come with me on a journey because I'm feeling motivated to do a project. So if you've been in the hobby for a while, you've probably seen these cases a few times. They're Detolfs from IKEA. For the price point, they cannot be beat. I think they run about $40, $45 each in store. They're wonderful, but they do have one problem. They let dust inside still. So that's what we're here to fix today. Using a little bit of weather stripping, we're going to fix that problem right here, right now. So to get started, we're going to need some weather stripping. I'll leave a link down below. Some scissors. And something to clean with. Clorox wipes, Windex are what I go for, but pretty much anything at all will work just fine. So the first thing we're going to do is give it a deep clean. Just take everything out of there and give it a good wipe down. Trust me, be thorough at this point because you don't want to do it twice. As far as putting the weather stripping itself in, it's pretty straightforward on the right side of every case. Now for the side with the door that actually has the hinge on it, go from the outside and push it inwards instead of inside out. Trust me, it's a lot easier. You don't have to take the door off to do it, and it's pretty much just as fast as the other side. If you're not really sure what this weather stripping is just by me talking about it, here's a really close-up look at it. It's just, basically carpet fuzz that stops the dust from getting in with an adhesive on the back side. It's fancy, it's high-tech, and I love it. Okay, so what does it all mean? Basically, for every Detolf we have, we need one case of that weather stripping. Because every Detolf needs 2 strips. Every strip needs to be 63 inches long. That means we get 1.5 cases or Detolfs out of 1 packet of weather stripping. So it's also worth mentioning that you can add shelves to these at any time. All you need to do is go down to your local glass cutting store and get an 11 by 15 sheet cut for every shelf you want to add, and then just use these little locks that I'll leave a description down below. You need 4 locks for every 1 shelf. Well, that's about all I have for you today. I just want to do a quick little highlight on how to do the weather stripping, give you some numbers, so hopefully it helps speed up the process if you want to do it yourself. As you can see, there's some video still left over here. That is because I wanted to take the time and showcase some of the builds that just never got the spotlight, never got the time of day, never got the video camera out to show. A lot of these are my first things that I ever built, like ever. And while they're not that good, I do really enjoy them, and I thought you might too. So I hope you like it. Thanks for stopping by. And until next time, have a good day.